2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.